Rangi Sari.
Oh my God.
So people are already familiar with Rangi Sari. So how does it feel to, you know, add that modern touch to it? And how difficult is it? Or is it a very thin line that, okay, you know, we don't disturb what is originally been made, but it still needs to sound slightly different?
So as far as the singing is concerned, I really enjoyed working on the format because उसी के basis पे track बनने वाला है. तो वो जब भी हम लोग ने वो रिकॉर्ड किया उसका थोड़ा ज़्यादा रेफरेंस पॉइंट हमारा लाइव परफॉर्मेंस से था कि अच्छा हम इस तरीके से एक दूसरे के साथ कम्युनिकेट करते हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ द वर्ड्स और अच्छा इसने रंगी सारी गाया तो उसके बाद की लाइन मैं गाऊंगी या रंगी सारी की वेरिएशन ये रेंज तक गाया तो मैं उसके बाद की रेंज.
For this to be easy, we were actually sitting face to face in the studio. So even though we were in the same room to dub the vocals, she was sitting in front of me. So we could sort of look at each other and also make sure that that play that comes in the live show, which is so organic, can somewhere be replicated in the recorded version.
Yes, so that was quite amusing to see कि हमने record किया, वो सुना, and when we heard the finished product, it was so different. And the kind of arrangement, I think it's amazing. It's just, it was like you said that it was rooted. Plus there was a sense of, you know, the contemporary sound.
This was a very big challenge because I remember discussing it with our arranger Kamlesh Bhadkamkar. We sat and we were thinking about, okay, what should we do?
When there is an established arrangement or established contemporary version of any traditional song, it is very difficult to conceive it in a new way. Rangi Sari was a very challenging thing because a number of persons have done it. When music arrangements are done or music arrangements are conceived, that should sound a little bit different, a newer version, still not harmful for the original traditional music. So it was very challenging for me.
Because what happens is if you try to deliberately make something different because so many people have done it, it doesn't work. And then I said, you know, just see how it flows. Worst case scenario is that we're still going to have a traditional version to fall back on, which is the essence of the form that we're also presenting. Every single person who has heard it has felt fresh. And I think that's the word, like fresh laga hai. And I'm so glad that we could manage to bring that expression in a recorded version of this song.
कहे तो हर शो में परफॉर्म करते हैं फिर भी हर बार वो नया होता है हमारे लिए क्योंकि देयर इज सम माइनर थिंग व्हिच इज ऑलवेज न्यू इवन फॉर द रिकॉर्डिंग आल्सो वी डिडंट प्लान कि हम ये पीस बजा के इसको करेंगे तो वो उस टाइम और उस मोमेंट का एक्सप्रेशन है
करेक्ट
एंड I like it.
Yeah.
I think on a lighter note, मतलब
Of course, there has to be a lighter note when you speak.
बदनाम कर रखा है मुझे. Serious बातें भी करता हूँ guys, ऐसी बात नहीं. I'm also deep. Okay. Yeah.
We believe you.
So stage पे पता है क्या होता है when these guys sing ना? So generally रंगी सारी गुलाबी चुनरियाँ तो हमारे नजरिया तो उसमें मुझे I have to give a build up. तो पहले ऐसा होता था कि जल्दी से आ जाते थे मोहे मारे नजरिया सा. अब ये लोग स्टेज पे क्या करते हैं मोहे मारे हाँ मोहे मारे हाँ मोहे वेरिएशंस लेते जाते. मैं वहाँ बिल्डअप दे रहा हूँ तक तक मुझे मेरा पिकअप लेना है. पिकअप लेने की जगह ही नहीं मिलती स्टेज पे. बट स्टूडियो में ऐसा हुआ कि इन्होंने जल्दी से वो खत्म करके सो आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी कि हाँ भाई चलो आई हैव द स्पेस.
हम भी अपनी तैयारी दिखाना चाहते हैं
बट ऑन अ डीपर नोट एज आई सेड दिस कॉम्पोजिशन इज इमॉर्टल. और लोगों ने भी तो वायरल वाला तो बहुत सारा सुन लिया है. सो आई होप कि जो हमने इतनी मेहनत से बनाया है एंड वी लव इट एंड द पीपल दैट वी हैव आस्क्ड देम टू लिसन दे हैव आल्सो लव्ड इट. सो वी होप कि एवरीवन loves it and you know.